on a block of 10 houses, K are not insured. A tornado randomly damages 3 houses. The probability that none of the damaged houses are insured is 1 by 120. Calculate the probability that at most one of the damaged houses is insured. So there are 3 houses, and the probability that none of the damaged 3 damaged houses, and the probability that none of them is insured, which means none of the 3 is insured, is 1 over 120. So let's see what that probability will be in terms of the symbols. So there are K not insured out of 10. So the probability that the first one is not insured would be K out of 10. And then the second one not insured will be K minus 1 out of 9. So this is like without replacement thing. And the third one not insured would be K minus 2 by 8. And that has to be equal to 1 over 120. And K minus 1, K minus 2. So these numbers multiply to 720, and you move it over here. It's 720 by 120 is a 6. So now, normally this is quite a lot of work to try to solve a cubic equation like this. But in this case, remember, K is the number of uninsured houses. So K has to be an integer, and there are only 10 houses, so it has to be an integer between 0 and 10. And we very quickly see that K is equal to 3 is a solution of this equation, because when K is 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. And so 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. So we know right away that K is equal to 3, and that means there are 3 uninsured houses out of the 10, and therefore there'll be 7 insured houses. So now we have to find the probability that at most one of the damaged houses is insured. So one of the 3 damaged. So at most one means 0 or 1 is insured. Now 0 insured is the same as none of the 3 is insured. So that's 1 over 120. We already have that. And 1 insured means 1 insured and 2 non-insured out of the 3. And so we know that the way we do this is we see how many ways we have to select 1 insured out of the 7, which we know are insured. So 7C1, and means multiplication. 2 non-insured out of the 3 that are non-insured. So 3C2 divided by the total number of ways to pick 3 out of the 10. So that's 0.175. So now we have this one and this one. So probably at most one of the 3 is insured is 1 over 120 for the 0 plus 0.175 for the 1. And that ends up being 11 by 60. That was choice C.